In its heyday, Greenmount Beach
Resort.
Greenmount Beach Resort.
Greenmount Hotel was the place to be. Now it's the end of an era with the iconic hotel being redeveloped.
It's coming up, 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 it's coming up. It's there.
Greenmount Beach Resort. That's where I used to work. Isn't that unreal?